Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the top 10 tourist places in India. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about India's best tourist places. Also post your favorite tourist places in India in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. India is a truly diverse country, be it culturally or geographically. No two cities or states are the same. And that means, there are plenty of amazing holiday destinations for different types of travelers, across the country. However, there are certain tourist places in India that are heavily frequented by tourists and some people even end up visiting the same destination several times. Such cliched destinations have a charm of their own though and usually promise a timeless experience every time. So, in this video, we will talk about the top 10 best tourist destinations in India that are totally worth the hype. Number 10 on the list of best tourist places in India is Lakshadweep Islands. How does a getaway to a group of 36 islands with the most calming aesthetics ever sound to you? Sandy beaches, coral reefs, seaweeds, and all things sea, Lakshadweep is a treat for anyone who needs a break to just lie down in the sun and laze around. The freshness and bounty of nature supplemented by amazing resorts promises a luxury vacation. Best time to visit Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep has the most pleasant weather around the period of October to March as the sea is calmer then. Number 9 on the list of best tourist places in India is Mysore. The city of palaces will keep you swooning over its intricate architecture and grand structures. With a rich history as well as religious context, Mysore is home to a lot of elaborate architecture. The royal procession of elephants that seem larger than life in their colorful decorations is a sight to watch. Best time to visit Mysore. Monsoon and winter are the preferable seasons here since the summers can be very harsh. The most pleasant time is between October and March. Number 8 on the list of best tourist places in India is Kolkata, West Bengal. The tropical heart of India, West Bengal has many treasures making it one of the best places to visit in India. It is home to the floating mangrove forests, the Sundarbans, the Royal Bengal tiger and large flora and fauna. Kolkata is replete with historical palaces and center for arts to keep the artist in you thriving but will also satiate the foodie in you with elaborate Bengali dishes. Best time to visit in Kolkata. With a typical tropical climate, summers can be unbearable in the city and thus, a soothing period between October-March is preferred for holidaying. Number 7 on the list of best tourist places in India is Sikkim. Chang Lake and Nathula Pass are enough testaments to Sikkim's glory that will sweep you off. Village hikes, sightseeing and the ethereal views of Mount Kanchenjunga just add to its beauty. Replete with enriching experiences and lush greenery, Sikkim serves as one of the places you have ever visited. If you plan well, this can be a place to visit in India within 10,000 bucks. Best time to visit Sikkim. The most suitable times to visit Sikkim is between March-May or October-December. Number 6 on the list of best tourist places in India is Manali, Himachal Pradesh. A major tourist destination in India that can also provide a very calm and soothing experience of a small town in the mountains. Your perfect holiday destination to beat the heat is here. With a wide and exciting range of adventure sports, the place is alive with serene forests, monasteries, temples, and valleys. Best time to visit Manali. The tourist season peaks between March-June but Manali is in its pristine glory of white during October-February. Number 5 on the list of best tourist places in India is Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Set amidst the vast stretches of the Thar Desert, Jaisalmer brings to you a vibe like nowhere else. With the rich cultural heritage and filled with grand palaces of royal Rajput Gharanas, the stories from this place will take your breath away. Best time to visit Jaisalmer. The best time to be here would be between November and March. Number 4 on the list of best tourist places in India is Munnar, Kerala. Described as God's own country, Kerala is quite popular among travelers. It will render you speechless with its immersive cultural experience and the lush bounty of nature. If you are looking for a place to visit in India with family where you can kiss stress goodbye, here's the place for you. Best time to visit Munnar. To vibe in with the tourists, the peak season is between September to March, but if would like to experience the monsoon, June-August will be excellent. Number 3 on the list of best tourist places in India is Leh-Ladhak. With a host of the most amazing treks in the entire world, Leh-Ladhak is truly one of the best places to visit in India before you die. Breathe in and let its enchanting monasteries, serene and absolute beauty, and serene mountain ranges bring peace to you. Best time to visit Leh-Ladhak. The most preferred time to visit is between May and October, since weather can get pretty rough here in winter. Number 2 on the list of best tourist places in India is Delhi. The national capital has been the center of trade and maintained its significance throughout the times of Mughal, Tughlaq, Mauryan, and British. It also has a rich history and culture. Being the focus of much hustle and bustle, the city is a hub of politics, commerce, entertainment, and knowledge. Do pitch it in your list of holiday destinations in India. Best time to visit Delhi. The weather in Delhi operates on extremes and is at its best around October till March, making it a bustling tourist destination around that time. Number 1 on the list of best tourist places in India is Goa. Famous for its pristine beaches, hippie vibes, laid-back lifestyle, and vibrant parties, Goa is counted among the best holiday destinations in India. The Union Territory is frequented by tourists year-round, especially in the winter season when the climate is pleasant, and the entire place comes alive with Christmas and New Year celebrations. However, seasoned tourists do not shun Goa during summer either. If you are looking for a peaceful and economical holiday, try to visit Goa during the off-season when the sun-kissed beaches, flea markets, and other attractions are less crowded. Best time to visit, November to February. So, which is your favorite tourist places among the top 10 best tourist places in India? India, a land of many diverse cultures and languages, and is full of many surprises. It has many tourist places to visit in India that are worth your time and visit. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite tourist destinations in India in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too.